Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro for faster home coverage, detailed guide step by step clearly. Unbox your Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro and ensure all components are present. Locate a central position in your home for the primary Nest Wi-Fi Pro unit. Connect the first unit to your modem using the Ethernet cable provided. Plug the unit into a power outlet to turn it on. Wait for the white LED light to pulse, indicating it's ready for setup. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Tap on Setup Device and then New Devices. Select your home and choose Nest Wi-Fi Pro from the list. Follow the prompts, and the app will guide you through. Once connected, the app will ask you to create a Wi-Fi network. Enter a unique network name and a strong password for security. Wait while the system sets up your network. Once complete, you will see a confirmation in the app. To extend coverage, place additional Nest Wi-Fi Pro units in strategic locations. Each additional unit should be at least 2 rooms away from the primary unit. Connect these units to power and wait for their LED lights to pulse white. Use the Google Home app to add each new unit to the existing network. Follow the same process for pairing each additional unit. Adjust placement as necessary for optimal coverage throughout your home. Once all units are set up, test the Wi-Fi signal strength in various rooms. You can use the app's tools to view connection speeds and adjust settings as needed. Finally, consider enabling advanced features like parental controls and guest networking through the app. Your Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro is now fully set up for faster and more reliable home coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.